In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to watch videos and YouTube videos on these old devices. So here I've got the browsers all loaded up, and there is a reoccurring problem that the YouTube homepage will just be blank. But I managed to find a way around it. This only works for Android 4.0 and up, meaning we have to have Chrome on it. We have to have Chrome installed because that's the only way it works, and the stock browser doesn't work for this. So that's why we need Chrome on Android 4.0. Over here we got iOS 6. It works for iOS 6 and up, and so iOS 7 as well. So I'm going to show you the process through 3 devices. Start off with the iPhone 4. Is what you have to do. Just search up your cartoon you like, go to videos, and just click YouTube video right here. Okay, so I found the workaround for this message. Your browser is outdated. So how I managed to get around this screen was I just clicked on the user talking friends, and it went to the consent screen of YouTube. And I just hit apply all. And then no more browser is out of date screen. So now I'm going back and I'm going to watch the video. If it still does this, simply try again. And YouTube should do something like this. Push and hold. Open. There we go. Now, in just a few seconds, it should start playing the video. And there we go, just like that, the video is here. We've got around the screen. And the best thing is, it actually plays it. As you can see, the video is now playing. Now I'm going to do it on iOS 6. Here is my old iPod running iOS 6.1.6. And same YouTube problem, I can't watch any videos. Simple thing, search up Talking Tom or your cartoon or show or thing you like. Then just go to videos. Just press the episode you want to watch, and here it is. Here is your video right here. And just like that, the video is playing. Now to the old Android devices. Here is an old phone that runs Android 4.0, and it's got the YouTube problem. Same thing. So as you can see, I've got the search right here. I'm just going to click this. I'm going to continue to Chrome. Should take a few seconds, and there we go. Things loading out. And there we go, just like that. The video is loading up and it's about to play. Unfortunately, the Android experience is a little bit slow, which is the downside for old Android phones. Here it is. It's playing the video.
No worries.
So there we go, just like that. All working on old phones. Alright, so anyways, I have to end the video here. And thanks for watching, and I hope this works on your phone as well. And goodbye.